guys. Welcome to week 2. So I'm going to be giving the instructions for week 2 in our packet here. I'm going to start again with day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5 here instead of Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, just because I know we're not all exactly on the same schedule. So start with day 1 here. So it says read plant needs poem. So we have our week 2 plans, and then right behind that is our week 2 divider, and the plant needs poem is right behind that. So day 1, you are just reading the poem. Now, last week I talked a lot about these kind of same things that we're going to be using this week. So like the word choice board, remember that is back at the back of the packet, right behind the sight word divider. So if you can't find that, just let me know, but it's near the back of the packet with lots of different choices. And those activities are right behind there. And then don't forget the sight word flashcards are at the very back of the packet. So these are all of our sight words that we have done and not done. So this week says choose 10, and the 2 words are but and all. So whatever activities you do, put those ones in there for sure. But then also maybe put them in 2 times versus everything else can just be 1 time. I would pick 10 new words, unless, like I said last week, the 10 words that you worked on were really hard. Maybe work on those ones again for a couple more days. But if those words are pretty much good to go, I would choose 10 new ones. And then if those are good to go that day, move on to 10 different ones. If they're still hard, then I would continue those throughout the week. Practice the flashcards. And then also day 1, sort by color rhyming words. So that is back here behind the plant needs poem. So that is this page. Now this one, this one's a little tricky too. So I sent out an answer sheet for this one, but you are just coloring by these rhyming words. So all these words rhyme with one of these words at the top. This one we believe is rob. And then the other one that we had a little bit of trouble with is this one we think is job with the desk. So there is an answer key though. I'd be happy to send that out again if you can't find it. Then also day 1, fill in the hundreds chart. So again, just keep flipping through the packet. So once you have reached the math activities, the hundreds chart is the blank hundreds chart, and just like last week, there is a filled in one behind it if your child needs to use that to help them fill out the blank one, or if they can just count to 100 and write those numbers, that's fine, whatever they need help with. And then also day 1, so last week you did 2 writing prompts throughout the week. That's the same as this week. So remember that is behind the writing divider. You don't have to do it on day 1. Just choose 2 prompts this week to write your opinion, and just make sure you're using the word because, B-E-C-A-U-S-E. And then for unit study, there is a plant life cycle reader. So you're welcome to sample this and turn it into a real book. You will probably need to read this, parents. Some kids probably can read it, but just to make sure they're getting the right word, you probably need to read it to them 1 time, because this is talking about the life cycle of the plant along with the poem. So just to make sure they're getting the right concept. So this is it. I believe I did not send home Raz Kids cards. I don't remember. I don't think I did, and I meant to. So I'm sorry about that. If you cannot find your Raz Kids card and can't log in, it's a great resource. So please let me know if you need help. All right, thanks.